Greg Michelle here with the Mississippi Emergency Management Agency. Hello, Mississippi. I just wanted to give you an update on some of the both the problems and offer you solutions about the vaccination, and as you're trying to make appointments either for yourself or for your elderly family members. So let's start off with the website. Been getting a lot of calls today, and I'm sure if you've tried to get on the website, you found that it might be down, or you've been on it and it kicks you off the system. So here's the issue with the website. The website is being worked right now. It was originally, we built it on the appointment scheduling. It's a UMMC website, and it was only built to handle 5,000 users at one time. Clearly that number is way lower than it needs to be based on the call volume or the appointment demand volume that we need, and certainly as we move forward and we have more vaccines available to do that. So there are fixes being put in place to expand the capacity of that website. So I'm asking you, please be patient with us over the next 24 to 48 hours. I'm very confident that the team at UMMC that's working on that is going to be able to develop a fix, and we're able to get that system fixed very quickly. So just please be patient and we will get that fixed for you. The call center. The call center has been up and running. It's been doing well, but not enough capacity personnel taking calls there to handle the volume that we're getting, especially when we announce new appointments that are being made open. So we've expanded the capacity to that as well, basically by 4 times, and we'll have additional personnel that will be on. Again, about 24, we're adding people now. We'll be at max capacity within 48 hours on the call center. So within the next 2 days, the scheduling piece of this should be fixed. So we just ask that you please be patient with us and we'll get this done. Now let's talk through how and for where you need to be scheduling your appointments. If you're going to a drive-through site, then you need to use either the call center number, which is 1-877-978-6453, and then the website, which is covidvaccine.umc.edu. That is the website and the number that you call for making appointments only for your drive-through testing sites. It's just for those drive-through testing sites. Those sites will be expanded as we go. We are doing 24,000 vaccinations this week. Next week, we're going to expand to 30,000 vaccinations, so there'll be more sites, more appointments, and those appointments have been loaded and will be loaded when all these systems come back up and you can get in. Those appointments for week 2 and week 3 are already out there. So that's how you register for those sites. As a reminder, right now, if you're age 65 years and older, if you have a pre-existing medical condition, or if you're in the healthcare industry, you are eligible for appointments. We are going to be working a system in place to account for no-shows, and you're always going to have issues with people that make appointments and they can't come for various reasons, whether it's weather, work-related, or an illness in the family. We're going to work that much like the airlines do with overbooking. So when you call and there's not an appointment available, you have the option to go on a wait list, and then the call center will call you and give you an appointment when that time comes. So if you're willing to go and wait a little bit, you're going to be able to get on a wait list to be able to get you a shot as well. That expands our opportunities for appointments. Now, let's talk about the health clinics that are offering appointments. If you go to the Mississippi Department of Health, or you go to MEMA's website, you can click down and look at all of the eligible clinics in your counties that you can go and have vaccines. You'll need to contact those health clinics directly, and I believe the contact information is on that list, so you'll have contact information. You just call them and tell them that you're looking for a vaccine. Now let me tell you what you may run into if you call them within the next 3 to 5 days. A lot of these clinics do not yet have an allocation of vaccine doses, but they will. Within the next 3 to 5 days, we're looking for allocations to push out to those clinics, and whenever the vaccines are delivered there, then you'll be able to make appointments there, and you can call them directly and they'll be ongoing for you can get vaccinations there. So this is kind of driven on vaccinations that are available. We are continuing to get more vaccines in. We get more vaccines in, we expand the opportunities and places for you to get vaccine, and then we open up more people that are eligible to get the vaccine. So just continue to work with us. We are expanding this. We're working problems as they come through, and we're going to get this fixed very quickly, so just be patient. And I appreciate everybody working with us through this process. Thank you.